Hello everyone, in front of you Epson L382 and the both lights are flashing, paper light and ink light. The issue is this error indicates that the ink pad is full. We have to reset ink pad. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to reset ink pad using Epson adjustment program 100% free. First of all, we have to disable Windows Defender or any kind of antivirus you have. You must need to disable it before uh, run the adjustment program, because adjustment program we cannot run unless we have to disable all kind of security. uh, Antivirus or Windows Defender straight away catch these softwares, because these third-party softwares, no idea there is virus or what inside, but you cannot run it. And anyhow, this is adjustment program. We have Epson L382 386. Double click on it and there are many files here. Double click on this file, adjustment program -esk.exe. It's asking to enter the key. Just click on enter key and then we'll press OK. It will run the application. Look, it's run. Now I will click on select our printer model L382. Now we have Euro and CIS. I will select Euro. Port is auto selected, but I will click manual USB 012 and press OK. And particular adjustment mode. Now base ink pad counter, will press OK. Check both counters, main pad counter, platen pad counter. We will check first, and this is 100% full. We'll check again both, and now we will click on initialize. When we will click on initialize, it will ask from us to permission. When the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. We will press OK, and now it asks communication error. No worries, it's resetted it. We will check again, and you can see it's 0%. Before it asked 100%, this one main pad counter, now it's 0. So it means it has been reset successfully. First, thus we will turn off the printer and we'll turn back on again to make sure the error lights are gone or not. Turn back on, and now there is no more error. Before, it straight away in the beginning it was showing error. Now there is no error. Printer is started initializing and it's booting up and it's ready for print. You can find the link about this application adjustment program here on the website. The name is bilalk.com. Bilalk. Okay, here is the website. In this website you have to visit blog. Click on blogs and you will find here adjustment program of Epson L382. Internet is a bit slow, and here is L382. Click here and it will open a blog. Read the instructions, then click on download. Video is also here. Click on download and it will take you to Telegram. Download it from Telegram. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. That's it for now. Subscribe. All the best.